Hey, it's Sammy on May 30th. We took 3 trades today for 2,114 pips. Let's take a look at these charts and how these beautiful trades played out. Hey, this is Sammy on May 30th. This is kind of an interesting open to this session. I actually took 2 trades stacked on top of each other. So watch this video as we use powerful momentum, sentiment, and some volatility breaks to crush out 1,400 pips during this open. You can see we took our first trade and very quickly locked in 700 pips as we move through the previous day's low in the 800 moving average. And I realized the data was so powerful, I got back in the trade and wanted to go up and test today's high, which would be the blue tracer up at the top. You can see we hit it and pushed it, and the next time we hit it, we're just going to shut the trade down with 700 more pips. And I know that was a lot to look at, so I dragged the trades out of the actual trade journal to show you how precise we can target our entries and exits and get to those targets using data. The key to winning consistently is using powerful data and a conservative take profit strategy. We're here every day to win consistently. We're not here to take giant trades that don't run every day. We're here to take the trades that happen every day using a data-backed process. If you want to learn that process, book a call. We'll walk you through the process. Hey, it's Sammy on May 30th. This is actually our 3rd trade. You saw the first 2 trades from the open that we took. Now, what we have here is our momentum is gaining on the 4 time frames. We also have 3 time frames firing sentiment and 3 volatility breaks. So we have some pretty powerful information taking form here. We're going to enter the trade on this little pullback to the 15 moving average here. Trade's going to take off, quickly going to move our stop loss to break even plus 25. All we're trying to do is get back up to that blue tracer demarking the high of day. We're just retesting the high of day. You can see we have a big gray shadow box of resistance we have to punch through here. So we're gonna need a lot of data to get through that. What's great about trading with data is we know we're gonna hit our targets. We understand that we have momentum to take us there fast. We understand we have sentiment that market agrees with our move. We're gonna get some follow through. The volatility just gives us these really big candles to work with. Of course, we hit our target of 714 pips, giving us just over 2,100 pips for the day.